Hi champions! Welcome back to my channel. And yes, today is Valentine's Day and that leads me to, for today's video, I will be glamming up myself into the ultimate Valentine's look ever. So, let's get started! I am gonna start with the skin base, foundation, concealer, contour, and blush highlight. Then brows. So let's do that. So this is my makeup base. And putting some of it in the back of my hand. So anyway, kumusta man mo? How's 2021 so far? Diba? So this, medyo daghan, so bahala na si Batman. And then I will use my sponge, dip and so I will just cover it and a whole face. Actually, na siya coverage a little bit. So, ang difference. We'll put it on the lids also. And everywhere, basically. So that's it. Next is my foundation. So I will be combining two foundations, this L'Oreal foundation and this Milani one, because I don't know my shade. So let's just combine. Yep. And this one. Perfect. More. And again, using my sponge. Dip and bounce. I think that's a fine coverage and my shade. And since I don't have any concealer na the eye, so I will just use this, my lightest foundation. This one. It's lighter than my skin, so pasok siya as concealer. So I will just put it here under my eyes. Then here, my forehead. Then my nose, bridge, the tip, here, upper lip, and then my chin. And bounce. Now time for contour, highlight, and blush. And I will be using this Morphe 24G Glam for those because why not? So here, since what shade kaya for my contour? Maybe this and this. Since I dipped too much, muna na yung kalabasan. So let's just tone it down later. Now blush. Hello? Asa man? Again. There. So this is one eye complete. I did it obviously off camera to save time. So this is what I came up. It's cut crease, smoky eye. So using this tiny brush, I picked up this color here. It's dark chocolate brown, and that will go to this part, like here, like this, wing out. And where's my mirror? Tara. So let's do that. So guys, this video will be uploaded 8 p.m. So obviously on this hour, ang uban nanay ka date and everything. If na may uyab, nag-date na mo, kung single ka, ambot, nag-unsa ka karon. So ang taan nyo Valentine's Day is nice, nahalaran ka and everything. So let's continue. We're tapping it here and winging it out like that. Yep. And picking up more, and this will go to my crease. Just tap. I am basically making the shape. So I am going for this medyo winged out shape. blending it from the outside to the inner corner. So yeah, blending it back and forth. And I want it to go upwards towards my brows na like that. Yep. And then here I am slowly winging it out para to achieve this. And blend. Next is this part, my under eyes. So we'll just drag this from here to smoke it out. So I am satisfied na. So next step will be the crease part. This, what I did is I cut it with a concealer or the foundation, not the concealer. So from here there, yep. Kana. Kaya na. Okay. Then I will drag it in here to open up my eyes. Davao, yes. And again, blend. So my eyes are done. So what I'm missing is my lips. Red lip, diba? Para igat. I will line my lip using this detail lip liner in the shade I don't know, but ay dara, red shade. The shade ulit. And for my lip, I will be using this Victoria's Secret Intense Lip Lacquer in the shade this. This is Pulse. So this Valentine's look, glam, and everything is all complete. So what do you think, guys? Because I think this look is absolutely beautiful, and especially this red lip. You can't go wrong with a red lip. So I guess that is all for today, this video, and I hope you are having a good time right now because it's Valentine's Day. And if you're single, don't worry, better luck next time. Please continue to support this channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, and of course follow me in all of my social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram, and see you next week. Bye.